Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can take high resolution photos on your Realme 11 Pro Plus. So in this phone we can take 200 megapixel photos and 100 megapixel photos, and to do this you have to first of all go for the high resolution. There we go, and as you can see right here you can switch between the 200 and the 50 megapixel photos, so you can decide. I'm going to take 200 megapixel photo. Okay, the photo was taken. It's not the best preview of this photo because I moved my phone. Let me just do this one more time. Hold your phone steady while taking this photo. And there it is. As you can see, the photo was taken, and that's also the post-processing. And right now you can actually find a lot of details on these photos. Just take a look, and take a look, by the way, how close we can zoom in. So that's a really great and useful option that you can find on the Realme 11 Pro Plus. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.